So you want to convert your horizontal videos to vertical? Easy! Open Google Play Store, then find the app YouCut. Then you have to install it, and then you have to open. Okay, then you have to choose the video that you want to convert from horizontal to vertical from your gallery. Okay, after choosing the video will go into YouCut. Let's see how the video is. You see the video is horizontal, so you have to click on crop. You have to find a crop, then you have to choose 4:5, or you have to choose 9:16 according to what you want. So here we're going to use 4:5. Then you have to adjust those brackets. You have to adjust those brackets the way you want the video to look like. Okay, after adjusting the brackets, you have to click on OK. Okay, you see how the video is? Let's see how the video is. You see the video, our video is in 4:5. You see it is now vertical instead of being horizontal. So after doing this, you have to save the video. You have to choose 4K or 180. Here you adjust these settings according to what you want. You can increase or decrease according to your space or the quality you want. Then you have to save the video and wait till the video finishes. Okay, let's wait. Okay, the video is now loading, so let's see how it will look like. Our video is going to become vertical instead of being horizontal, so let's wait. Okay, let's see how the video is. Okay, now you can see that our video is vertical in the ratio 4:5. So if this video is informative to you, you can subscribe and like the video.